Hello there. This is lesson number 3 on the Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece. This particular one, I invented it, designed it, and built it. So this is actually the one that I use. It's the best of the prototypes. Approved for manufacture, actually. So, what is a frictionless mouthpiece? Your lips rest on the slider in a relaxed embouchure, no puckering needed, and the slider goes left and right on the instrument. Eliminating, making note changes easy, eliminating friction, and it's played dry. Okay, what's today's lesson about? Humans are kind of interesting because we think that, we want to do well, so if we try harder and put more into it, that it's going to go better. But that's not true with musical instruments a lot of times. Sometimes the light touch is the way to go. Now, this slider, which in this case is made of Lexan, and you'll notice that the curvature on the top is a rounded shape, not the trapezoidal, because this is a better shape for play than trapezoidal. So I've actually changed the trapezoidal mouthpiece into a rounded. But the fit of this product is so precise when it's put on this harp and created that it needs almost no pressure to be airtight. And to minimize friction, you want a light touch. So it doesn't depend on down pressure to be airtight. It is airtight even without down pressure. And let me get close here and you'll see how gentle. I'm just touching it. I'm not even pushing it down at all. That is the correct pressure on the slider. So you want to play them with a very light touch and a relaxed arm because you'll be moving the harp left and right. Just my lip gently on the slider, and I move the instrument left and right with my hand. It's a lot of movement. The lip can be dry, or you can use, like Carmex or chapstick if you want, because your lips are not sliding on the slider does the sliding. It looks like a simple device, but it is extremely precise in how it's manufactured to fit. So this is the slider, it fits on here. I'm not doing that. I'm doing that. That's why I like the one-hole slider. It provides the relaxed embouchure so my mouth doesn't get tired. So anyway, and you'll notice that this tone is quite nice, isn't it? Well, this is thick, so it creates more resonance to the chamber. For a stainless steel reed, it's a very warm sound because the chamber is essentially bigger because of the addition of this. Another reason I made it kind of thick was to get this harp away. They're quite small instruments, and so this ergonomically gives it a profile, an effective profile, more like a Suzuki SCX, which I find more comfortable, and the button is extended, this custom button, bringing the button out, because a stock harp, you can hit the right side of your face when you use the slides. That's another improvement. But anyhow, so easy does it, very, very light. It doesn't need down pressure to be airtight. It is absolutely precisely fit. That's why they take so much time to make. Anyway, so easy does it, light touch.